Hey D, kill me. Or I'll kill myself. You didn't even hit me. Ooh, nice shot. Alright, look at the guy that I am right now.
What the frick? Get in, Shane. Oh my gosh!
Oh. Yeah, this guy's weird looking.
Dustin, fly with me.
If I just believe it,
Are you ready to fly?
there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
I didn't let in the water. Bruh.
Hey, Shane, what's up?
What?
What's up?
I'm trying to see
you...
I'm trying to get...
Hey, D.
Hey.
Aw.
Oh my god. Why are you invincible?
I'm not. What's up? You just missed, I guess. I don't know. No!
We're cheating.
Don't worry.
What happened?
Ow.
What are you? Oh wait, you're carrying that thing.
Bullseye.
I was looking for you. Hey. Why is there so many pigeons? Oh, I have an idea. Later. Where's my later? Pigeons. No! Why did you do that? I was waiting for it. Don't do it. Oh, pigeon. Hold up, don't hold it there. I'm gonna inflate it. Wait.
Hey.
Ow! Shane!
What the fuck was that?
You're doing something. Bring it over here.
Oh my
I can
god.
see what you're doing.
Grab it! Grab it! Oh, here we go. I'm gonna try and inflate his wing a little bit if I can. Okay, whatever.
He's a balloon.
Oh, geez. He's ugly. I can't. Wait. Whoa, are you doing that?
I don't know, birdie.
Come back. Where is it? I'm not hitting it right or something. Okay.
About ready to shoot that bird.
Fat birdie.
Fly, fat pigeon.
Look at him.
What the? What is it? It's upside down.
Are you sure? What is that?
Hey! Don't throw my golf cart. Are you serious?
Glitching. Okay. Oh,
What are you doing?
it's like glitching. Ow, Shane. Why you gotta be such a retard?
Oh my god. I hate you.
No.
You made my golf cart a piece of crap.
Look at it. Here. It's decent. Ow. Okay, I get the idea. I killed you once. Quit. Oh, dude.
I'm a fire in my laser!
What the? What?
Don't kill me. Quit. No, quit it.
Seriously, fire pop off.
Bullseye.
Will you stop?
In their tongue is Dovahkiin, Dragonborn. In their tongue is Dovahkiin, Dragonborn. In their tongue is Dovahkiin, Dragonborn.
Here, hold up. Wait, Shane, where are you? You're okay.
In their tongue is Dovahkiin, Dragonborn. In their tongue.
What the frick?
What'd you do to me?
That was so retarded. Okay, so I picked the car up and I put it on top of your head, and I was pulling it down, but it wouldn't do anything. So I let it go, and then it killed you. It was like so stupid. What the heck? Are you in the cop car?
Yeah. You see that trail behind it?
Yeah, what is that?
Oh no, I set it up somehow. I keep saying whoa 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 whoa. Whoa 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 whoa.
What the?
What is it
Where'd
doing?
go? Oh no, what'd you do to
It's
it?
moving on its own.
I
Stop.
grab it. I got it. Oh, what the?
What
Hold
the?
of it. It's not doing anything.
What the? Why do they do that?
You make it. What the? That was just screwed up. This one, earlier, if they hit that one, if it hits air or anything, it'll start going on its own. Oh, it's done.
Look at it. What? That makes no sense.
Sweet. Got a ton of rocket launcher ammo. What'd you do to it? It's indestructible.
All of these type of vehicles are indestructible.
Why?
What the fuck? That's I'm going to bed.
You're not. You serious?
Yep.